Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to pair your Sony XM4 Bluetooth headphones with your MacBook. We'll start off with the MacBook, so grab your cursor and go to the top left and click on the Apple logo, then come down to System Settings. In this window type in Bluetooth and click on Bluetooth. Right here you can see Bluetooth is enabled. If it isn't, just toggle it on. Next it's searching for a device. Bring the headphones back into play and look underneath the left cup. You'll see two buttons, the power and custom. We want to press and hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds. Let's press it now. It's just powered on. I'm still holding. Now the headphones are discoverable, so let's have a look at the Mac and see if it's found them. We'll scroll down the list. We can see some headsets there. And just at the bottom we have XM4s. So let's just connect those. The headphones just said they are connected, and you can look at the list here underneath My Devices and see the headphones and the battery charge. And if we want to disconnect, we can just click this button here. We have an I button just beside it, which gives us some information about the device. So I hope that's been useful. If it has, please give the video a thumbs up. Really appreciate you stopping by.